Hello guys, I have been away for quite some time, right? Almost 2 years I guess. But I'm back now. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please do share, like, comment down below on your thoughts. I have immensely missed you. So we are back with our lessons, Somali English lessons. So let's get into this lesson. Thank you so much. So, greetings in Somali is salam. Can we say that again? Salam. The most common greeting we use is the Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Again, Assalamu alaikum, which translates to peace be upon you. And usually the response is wa alaikum salam. Wa alaikum salam. So we move on to the next one. Setahay. Setahay. If you know any Somali, you must have had this greeting. Setahay, which is how are you? And usually the response is one fi anahay. Again, one fi anahay. So we move on to the next. Iskawaran. Iskawaran, which is how is the going, or how are you? Could be the same. How are you doing? Iskawaran. How is the going? And the response is usually nabat. Nabat. I'm a little bit high pitched there. Nabat. Great. Maga'a. What is your name? Maga'a. What is your name? Maga'aygu wa. Let's say your name is Steve. Maga'aygu wa Steve. Or maga'aygu wa Maryam. My name is Maryam. Inte ka timid. Inte ka timid. Inte ka timid. Where are you from? Waxaan ka imid Somalia. Waxaan ka imid Somalia. I am from Somalia. So we have come to the end of this lesson. My next lesson will be uploaded soon, inshallah. I will be uploading on Tuesday and Saturday. Yeah, those 2 days, twice a week. Inshallah, I hope you have a great weekend. Ma'asalama, goodbye.